Today I finished up over $3,700 on the day. As you can see on the screen, I only took 2 trades again and 2 wins. Another choppy, crappy day. Before I get into that, make sure that you guys take advantage of the free 3-day trial, because I'm not going to offer this very long. It's probably going to be around for another couple weeks, and that's it. And you need to take advantage of it while it's there, and if you miss out, you miss out. So with that said, let me get this out of the way so you guys can see the chart. Now, the first trade I took was I took calls at 1041, which is right here in this candle. Of course, the opening just chopped and didn't do anything. It did drop a little right here, but I didn't want to touch it. Then it was just, rejecting VWAP. So the third time I touched VWAP right here, I told the room that if it gets over VWAP, I'm gonna take calls, and as soon as it broke VWAP, I grabbed the 6110 calls at 550, and they went from 550 to $7 plus on that. So that ended up being a pretty good play. These choppy days, you've got to take the base hits. You cannot wait for home runs. I mean, if you sit there and just play for home runs, you're going to lose 95% of your trades. But if you wait and take the base hits, if you're playing SPX, you've taken 50 cents to $1 or $2, then you'll win 80-90% of the time if you execute the trades right. So you definitely needed to take the base hit on that one. So base hits are important, so remember that. Then the next trade I took was I took puts at 1132, which is right here. Now it did break a new lower day right there. I didn't take it. I wasn't sure. I thought we were going to actually bounce and break higher day, but no, we broke lower day. And then when it came back up and put in this green candle, I took the puts underneath lower day right here. I took the 60.85 puts at 560, and they went from 560 to over $7 again. So another $1.50 plus play on that right there. And if you held for home run again, you would have lost, because when you're taking when you're up a dollar plus, you have 10 contracts. It's $1,000 right there in a matter of minutes. So you got to take that. You'd be foolish not to. And if you didn't, you get chopped to death. And even if it did drop right here, you probably wouldn't be green. You'd probably be red because of theta. Theta was crazy today. Today was just, it didn't do much of any. All it did was chop and put in a couple moves here and there, and that's why I haven't been trading much the last couple days. I do not like this action. It's very tricky to trade, and the market's just waiting for something before it actually moves. So what it's waiting for, I don't know, news or something, but it's waiting.